Good morning, students. We start with experiment number 1 for section B, which is based on your chapter number 6, classification of plants. The title or the aim of the experiment is classify the various plants: Spirogyra, Agaricus, Funaria, fern or Nephrolepis, and Cycas or Catharanthus present in surrounding and sketching the labeled diagrams. Now here you can see in your journal the diagrams are already sketched for you. You only have to label the diagrams. The first one is Spirogyra. As this is a slide, we will not be showing you. Spirogyra, as you know, belongs to kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Cryptogams, division Thallophyta, class Algae, genus you will write as Spirogyra. So whatever labels I will be displaying here, you are going to complete only that labels and MCQs in the journal, because you know you don't have to write anything here in this experiment. It is only classification of plants, and in the theory we have studied about the characteristics of Spirogyra. So genus you will write Spirogyra, species just put a small dash over there. Now we move towards the labels. Here the first label you are going to label it as nucleus. You know the center, here it is the nucleus. The second label here is cell wall. From the left hand side, the first label is spiral chloroplast, and the fourth one is pyrenoid. Now your work is you are only going to label this diagram and complete the blanks in your classification chart. Characteristics are already written for you. They are printed. Spirogyra is a fibrous algae freely floating on water. It contains spiral chloroplasts. Our next is Agaricus or mushroom. Here you have the specimen. So you can just look at the specimen. Mushroom, you know, many of you are consuming it. It is a protein rich source of food. So mushroom here, you know, it mainly grows in the rainy season. Agaricus is commonly known as mushroom, and it is a saprotropic fungus. So we move towards the writing part. Here only two you have to label. The upper portion is known as the cap, and the lower portion is known as the stalk of the mushroom. So two labels, cap and stalk. Agaricus belongs to kingdom Plantae. As usual, subkingdom is Cryptogams, division Thallophyta, class fungi, genus Agaricus, species again you will put a small dash. No need of writing the species, because again it is the same name which is repeated. So only you have to enter Agaricus. It is blank. Rest all the things are printed for you. Third one is Funaria or moss, which you can see now in the rainy season. In your buildings, you have the brick walls and all, you can see this moss growing over there. So the labeling part, on the top you have the capsule, stalk, leaf-like parts, rhizoids. You know the root-like parts are known as rhizoids. And here again you will just write it as root-like part. Capsule, stalk, leaf-like parts, rhizoids, root-like part. Again kingdom Plantae, subdivision Cryptogams, division Bryophyta, class Bryopsida. Genus is Funaria, the same name. Species is Funaria hygrometrica. Funaria is the genus and species is Funaria hygrometrica. Characteristics: it grows on old moist walls, tree trunks, etc. in the rainy season and completely dries in the winter season. It belongs to division Bryophyta, and you all know that they are known as the amphibians of the plant kingdom. So on this page, that is page number 31, I have told you, you just have to label all the parts and complete the blanks in the classification chart.